what did you guys build today?
What we have right here is a custom PC that you could do yourself over at PCBros.tech, featuring the Ryzen 5 7600X and RTX 4070.
Yeah, so this is one where we actually had a friend of Jonah's that decided he wanted to do our $10 build consultation and get a custom PC built. So this one has the Asus TUF B650AX, that means Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the 1TB Gen 4, 32 gigs of DDR5 Corsair Vengeance 5600 MHz, a Corsair CX750M 80 Plus Bronze, a Corsair H100i Elite Capellix XT, and this is the 3000D Airflow RGB iCUE from Corsair.
So yeah, if you want to get a custom build from PCBros.tech, head on over to the website, pay for the $10 build consultation, and we can build the PC of your dreams today.